A rounded rectangle with a radius value of 100 px. A smaller radius value gives us less rounded corners. Unfortunately, there's no way to preview how rounded the corners will appear with our chosen radius value before we actually draw the rectangle. Also, we can't adjust the radius value on the fly while we're drawing the shape like we can in Illustrator, and Photoshop doesn't let us go back and make simple changes to the corners after we've drawn it, which means that drawing rounded rectangles is very much a trial and error type of thing. If you're not happy with the roundness of the corners after you've drawn the shape, press Ctrl+Z, Win, Command+Z, Mac, to quickly undo the step, then enter a different radius value into the options bar and try again. Just as the rectangle tool lets us draw squares, the rounded rectangle lets us draw rounded squares. Simply hold down your Shift key after you start dragging to force the rounded rectangle into a square shape. Hold down the Alt, Win, Option, Mac key after you start dragging to draw the rounded rectangle, or square, out from its center. If we click on the small arrow in the options bar to bring up the rounded rectangle options, we see that it shares the exact same options as the normal rectangle tool, such as unconstrained, square, and from center.